welcome back to another video. I may have gotten a little addicted to blox fruits, but it's fine and someone keeps interrupting my fighting. This, a weekend rumble. And I got a school gun. And I ate blizzard and I just defeated the boss. Please help me get better at blox fruits. Give me tips in the comments. I'm trash and I have stats like this. Ignore why all of them are in fruit. So, yeah, I ate. So I don't have any good fruits right now. So I will be trading a little bit. If there is anyone in the cafe. Oh, there is this guy. With only commander voice captain. What the avocado? Avocado. And yeah, let me just hop to another server. 3, 2, and boom! I'm here. Pirates. No! I should have put money where I was going to hunt people anyways. It's whatever. There's no PvP enabled even in the safe zone. Yeah. I'm going back to the garden. I'm going to just farm with the Jeremy boss. That's all I'm not gonna like. Awesome. Now I should disconnect anymore. See? Yep. That's exactly what needs to be happened. See? Yep. So yeah guys, I'm using my own Wi-Fi. That's why it is going to crash. So yeah, this is the Christmas special fruit. The and I don't know why what fruit is he holding? I hope he disconnects. Disconnect in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Disconnect my guy. Oh, I thought he was lagging like this. Going very slowly. How do you move fast or going slow? Like this. Yeah, let me just go. Let's grind him. I see a person. Time to hunt him for bounty. Easy. Bounty. Evacuate. Oh god. Let me get that guy real quick. And let me get that guy real quick. Done. My god, I'm getting so much bounty. Let me kill the Buddha. Where is he running? I think he has colored haki, so he's from 3rd sea. So I'm not gonna attack him. Please tell me he has. He does not. Oh man. Okay, I'm just gonna go grind the boss. Yep. And please give me tips. I'm so bad at the game. And tell me how do I just arrange my stats. Wait. I have it. I have that fruit. I have that fruit. And alright. So yeah, I'm getting him now. This. I don't like this fruit, so please give me something good. No. This is Stress. I'd rather fly off into water. I could lose my bounty. No. While I will hit someone and then jump in the ocean rather than trading my love fruit for that. That is bad trade. I mean satisfying. Sorry, you all have to see this much. Instinct, hockey, and then waiting for my cooldowns to get another flight. Done. Oh, I'm running now. Respawn? Yes. This is so easy. Oh my god. Before I needed to ask help, now I just kill him by myself. Okay, I'm leveling up pretty good. And yeah, the last video I think was me killing the saw. And just to let you know, I can one-shot him, and I quitted blox for a while. That's why I was not, and I lost my main account. That's the thing. If I would have not lost it, I would have been what, like level 1000, no, 2000 something. Please drop. Okay, drop. Oh my god, where's the gas? Okay, let me just roll of fruit. What do you mean I don't have enough mini? Mini? Time to server hop again. Engi Buddha. And this is breakfast gets kind of boring all the time. No, not all the time. Sometimes. And while you, if you have watched it this much, why don't you just sub? And like, I guess. And let me see what's in the dealer. I don't care whatever powers I get. And blade. This was the fruit I was using before. I mean, it was pretty good, I guess. But Blizzard is honestly way better. Okay, dude, this is see, equipped. I'm not lying. I didn't get it by hacks. I mean, someone rolled that rumble, and then yeah, someone accidentally dropped it and gave it to me. No, someone was trying to give to their main account, but I took it and then just stored and left the game. Easy. And then I traded it for a rumble. Then no, I traded the rumble for a blizzard. Then I ate the blizzard. No. Oh, I have to destroy the dragon. I have to destroy it. I have to destroy the dragon. Never mind, it is a high level. Hey, I got hit 1000 HP. Yeah, nobody cares. Oh my god, this dragon is so nice. I mean, this is the best in my opinion. Yes, this is the best. Yeah, bro, I have PvP disabled. Try to kill me. My goodness, that model is sick. I'm using the opposite of it. I think I can probably kill the T-Rex. But not the dragon. Dragon one-shotted me. Dragon can one-shot. No, it can two-shot me. So please tell me they didn't kill. Let's go. They didn't kill my boss. No. Easy death for him. Oh no, I see that. And just to let you know, I have got a new phone so it can handle a lot of lag. Like that one, it just only lagged a couple things. Like I don't know, it just lagged for a couple seconds. So yeah, I'll be going to server hopping in 3, 2, 1, catch. Okay, so guys, I am in the server and I got a very low. So the trade off and Blizzard is very good for grinding. I can agree, even for the first sea. I am getting a lot of the bounty. Okay, so I'm going to roll a fruit now. Nothing crazy. Oh man. And 2. Oh, I did it over here. Okay. So now, after this fruit, this will be video end. If I get the fruit that I don't like, if I get a mythical, this video is gonna go for a lot longer and I may give it away. Just don't just saying I could give the mythical away. And the almighty flame. Okay, turn this into a donut, bro. Turn this into a donut. Turn this into a donut. I hate flame. Boom. And even if I try to store storage full, would you like to buy one storage full? I'll just give it away. Someone just left it. Oh, yeah. And yep. Can't get it another. Let's go give it a hit to this. Here you go. This guy took it. The food and this. I ate a fruit yesterday, so I'm not good. I don't have that good of a fruit. If I would have, I would have flexed on him so hard. Never mind, I still am. You got a blade? What am I gonna do with a blade? And yeah, let me just give him a bomb for a blade. Bomb. Spring. What else? Spring no, bro. Blood. Hey! He has the same name as the fruit I'm using. And then... Oh my... I hate you. Why am I just climbing up over here? Yes. I want to end the video, but I'm not. Anyways, this will be at you. Wait a minute. This is not supposed to happen. Wait a minute. Subscribe or I will shoot this at you. See what I'm aiming right now. See where I'm aiming. At you, boy. You. Who will be like this guy if you don't sub? Dead. One place standing, frozen. No ship lock. Let's see how much range it has. My good, I got a lot of range and Bye. Bye. I am bored. Bye bye. See you next time. Have a good day and Merry Christmas!